Welcome to Key Digital University. It's time to learn all about the KD-DA2x4 and 2x8G.
Let's look at KD-DA2x4G and KD-DA2x8G, HDMI distribution amplifiers with HD-Base-T output. These products support a full resolution up to 18 gigabits per second, meaning all of your 4K resolutions are covered, including 444 chroma subsampling up to 60 frames per second. Each of these products has two HDMI inputs, so the selected source is distributed to all 4 or 8 displays. It is not a 2x4 or 2x8 matrix. All 4 or 8 connected outputs will show the same thing at the same time. At the main unit, there is audio Deembedding. The products have a full support of HDCP 2.2 and fully support the full buffer system Key Digital proprietary technology. And in addition to controlling our devices via TCP/IP, IR, or RS-232, there is control pass-through to connect to your RX unit, to your local or your connected display or projector. Let's take a closer look at the 2x1 switching feature of the product. Very conveniently allows you to toggle between one connected source or the other. So in a typical application, you may have digital signage up and then want to switch to a local big event that can be displayed on all 4 or 8 displays, such as sports. The audio de-embed feature built in to the 2x4 and 2x8G gives you analog on a balanced, unbalanced connector. If you want unbalanced, you just use the positive and ground, or of course balanced, using plus, minus, and ground. And the digital connection is on a coaxial, supporting multi-channel stereo formats, or surround formats rather, up to 5.1 and 6.1. Now keep in mind, when using the audio de-embedding, there is no volume control, no equalization, or no format conversion. So if you wish to have analog audio output, then of course your maximum incoming audio formatting from your HDMI source should be limited to 2-channel PCM. But fear not, if you have a multi-channel audio format coming through, the analog audio will mute that signal on its output so as to prevent any unwanted noise or distortion going through your audio system. The IR and RS-232 pass-through makes integration very easy in professional systems. You can take IR and RS-232 from a professional control system such as Compass Control Pro or any of the leading control system manufacturers. You will feed in IR or RS-232 into each of the 3-pin Phoenix connectors that is located beside the respective HD-Base-T output, and that IR or RS-232 signal is output at the receive unit at each monitor or display. Additionally, you do have IR and RS-232 control hardwired on the KD-DA2x4G, and that is the 3-pin Phoenix connector that we see beside the power supply connection. Now, in addition to passing through to control the monitor connected to the HD-Base-T receiver, it is possible that you can collect line-of-sight IR or RS-232 at a connected RX unit and have that be output at the respective 3-pin Phoenix so that you can control a connected device in the equipment rack near the DA2x4 or 2x8G. This is what is depicted here at the bottom center of the screen, where the main display collects line of sight IR from a remote, which then has the IR emitter connected at the connected source cable satellite box. We do include IR sensors and emitters in the KD-DA2x4 2x8G packaging. Here is a closer look of the 3-pin Phoenix connectors that you'll use on the 2x4 2x8G and on the connections used at the RX units. Now, it is very important to note that you must specify IR or RS-232 usage at each and every receive unit. The default setting is IR. Let's take a look at another fantastic integration tool with the KD-2x4 2x8G, and in fact all key digital IP controllable devices. They are all app ready, so you can connect your KD-DA2x4 2x8G to your network, open up the free key digital app, scan the network, and it will detect the product, giving you a pre-built GUI. The GUI displays friendly names that are input using the Key Digital Management Software Professional. That is a great integration tool as well for all of our certified resellers. They can get that software from the Key Digital website by searching KDMS Pro, and it's the easy way to set input-output namings, as you see here, change EDID handshaking, configure IP addresses, and more. It really adds to the value of each Key Digital system that you sell, that your end user will have a free control interface for that system. Let's look at a troubleshooting tool that is specific to the 2x4 2x8G. This is the input and output LEDs here on the main unit. On the input side, a solid illumination of the HDMI input link lights indicates an active incoming HDMI signal from a connected source. On the output side, there is a blue link light beside each HD-Base-T connector that activates when you have link with the RX extender. So it is not indicative of the active handshake with the display, just that the RX extender is linked successfully with the DA2x4 2x8G. In addition to the LED lights on the main unit, there is a very verbose set of LEDs on each RX unit. Beside the HDMI output port, your HDMI link light illuminates solid when you have hot plug detection from a connected display. The amber live light will blink steadily, indicating a healthy CPU state of the unit. If it is off or illuminated solid, then that means the RX unit has somehow locked up. The HD-Base-T link light illuminates solid with a healthy link from the main unit to the receive unit over HD-Base-T, and the red video light activates solid when there is an active AV signal passing through the system from the main unit to the RX unit.